Welcome to the AI Compass Deep Dive. Today is November 20th, 2024. We're going to be exploring the business, product, and technology angles of the latest in AI news. This week, the AI world is anything but predictable. So get ready for some surprising twists as we navigate this dynamic landscape together.
I'm excited to break it all down.
Yeah, there's certainly a lot happening. Let's jump right into the business side of AI.
Okay.
One of the most interesting developments that caught my eye is how Microsoft is quietly dominating the AI agent ecosystem. Over 100,000 organizations are already on board.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a pretty significant number.
That's huge.
What do you make of that?
Well, it's fascinating to see how Microsoft is focusing on the practical application of AI in the enterprise world. They're not just stopping at simple tasks, they're building an agent mesh where AI agents collaborate to handle complex workflows.
Can you give us an example of what that might look like in practice?
Sure. Imagine a scenario where an AI agent handles your entire supply chain, from ordering raw materials to managing logistics and even predicting future demand. Or think about marketing campaigns where AI agents autonomously create targeted content, analyze campaign performance, and adjust strategies in real time.
That's a game changer.
Yeah.
It's like having an entire team of virtual assistants working behind the scenes.
Exactly. And this could be a significant advantage for businesses looking to streamline operations and gain a competitive edge in their respective markets.
It makes you wonder if this is the beginning of the AI internet everyone's been talking about.
It certainly seems like a step in that direction.
Yeah, while Microsoft is making these strategic moves, things are heating up over at Nvidia. Ahead of their upcoming earnings report, analysts are sending mixed signals about their future prospects.
Yeah, there's definitely some uncertainty in the air. While some analysts are raising price targets, these targets are actually below Nvidia's current stock price.
That seems counterintuitive. What's driving this discrepancy?
It likely boils down to the reported overheating issues with their new Blackwell chips. Nvidia's CEO has described demand as insane, but these technical difficulties could pose a significant challenge. If they can't resolve these issues quickly, it could impact their revenue and profitability.
So the stakes are high for Nvidia to address these overheating concerns.
Absolutely. Their ability to maintain their dominance in the AI chip market hinges on their ability to deliver reliable and high-performing products.
Speaking of shaking things up, the U.S. Department of Justice is taking on Google in a significant antitrust case. They're even demanding that Google sell off its Chrome browser.
This is a major development that has the potential to reshape the tech landscape. It reminds me of the Microsoft antitrust case back in the 90s.
Oh, how so?
Well, the DOJ argues that Google is leveraging its dominance in search to stifle competition, much like Microsoft was accused of doing with its Windows operating system.
And what's Google's response to these allegations?
They claim that such a move would harm American innovation and ultimately hurt consumers. It's a complex situation with arguments on both sides.
Yeah, it will be interesting to see how this case unfolds and what implications it has for the future of the tech industry.
I agree. The outcome could have ripple effects across the entire sector.
Now let's turn our attention to Dell, which is making waves with its new suite of AI services tailored specifically for Microsoft platforms. What's caught your attention about this development?
What stands out is their focus on personalized AI solutions. They're aiming to provide businesses with custom-built co-pilots designed to streamline specific tasks and workflows.
Can you elaborate on what you mean by personalized AI solutions?
Well, imagine having an AI assistant that's specifically trained on your company's data and processes. It could learn your preferences, anticipate your needs, and help you complete tasks more efficiently.
So it's like having a virtual assistant that's intimately familiar with your work style and the nuances of your business.
Precisely. And on top of that, Dell is making a big push into cybersecurity, aiming to simplify compliance with the new CMMC 2.0 standards for government contractors.
That's a smart move considering the increasing cyber threats businesses face today.
Absolutely. With cyber attacks becoming more sophisticated, companies need robust security measures in place to protect their data and operations.
So it seems Dell is positioning itself as a comprehensive solution provider for businesses looking to integrate AI and strengthen their cybersecurity posture.
That's a good way to put it. They're trying to cater to the growing demand for AI-powered solutions and security in the enterprise world.
Now, this next piece of news really caught me off guard. Microsoft is developing its own data center chips.
It's a bold move, to say the least. They're essentially taking on industry giants like Nvidia, which currently dominates the AI chip market.
What are the potential implications of this move?
If Microsoft can successfully develop and deploy its own chips, It could give their Azure cloud platform a significant advantage. They could potentially offer lower costs and better performance compared to competitors who rely on third-party chip manufacturers.
So it's a strategic play to gain more control over their hardware and increase their competitiveness in the cloud computing market.
Exactly. It will be fascinating to see how this move plays out in the long run.
Now let's shift gears from business to product, looking at what's new in the AI product landscape. One of the most exciting developments comes from Europe. The French startup Mistral just launched Pixel Large and supercharged their chatbot, Le Chat.
Mistral is definitely a company to watch. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI chatbots.
What makes Le Chat so unique?
It's not just a text-based chatbot anymore. It can generate images, perform real-time web searches, and even offers an interactive canvas for collaboration.
Wow, that's impressive. It sounds like they've combined elements of ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Google Search all in one.
It's a powerful combination of capabilities, and it highlights the rapid pace of innovation happening in the European AI scene.
It's exciting to see new players emerge and challenge the established giants in the AI space.
Yeah.
Now, OpenAI's new Model O1 has been making headlines because of its ability to think before it answers. What's your take on that?
The concept of an AI thinking is still up for debate, but O1's performance is undeniably impressive. It aced a difficult math Olympiad, demonstrating its ability to reason and solve complex problems.
That's remarkable. But some experts have also raised concerns about its potential for deception.
That's true. The ability of O1 to potentially deceive humans is a serious issue that needs careful consideration. We need to ensure that AI systems are developed and used responsibly.
It's a reminder that as AI becomes more sophisticated, we need to be mindful of the ethical implications and potential risks.
Absolutely. We need to strike a balance between innovation and responsibility, ensuring that AI technology is used for good and doesn't pose a threat to humanity.
Now let's dive into the technology driving these advancements, starting with the AI chip revolution. Nvidia's GPUs are powerful, but they consume a lot of energy. There's a growing demand for chips specifically designed for AI tasks.
We're seeing a wave of innovation in the chip design space. From chiplets to 3D stacking, companies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Can you break down some of these advancements for us?
Well, chiplets are like building blocks for chips. They allow companies to create customized chips by combining different chiplets optimized for specific functions. 3D stacking involves vertically stacking chip components to increase density and performance.
So it's about finding new ways to pack more processing power into smaller spaces while improving energy efficiency.
Exactly. And companies like Cerebras are taking it to the next level by building chips with hundreds of thousands of processors.
It sounds like we're on the verge of a paradigm shift in chip technology.
It certainly feels that way. These advancements have the potential to significantly accelerate the development and deployment of AI applications.
Now, as AI becomes more powerful, ensuring its safe and responsible use becomes even more critical. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security is taking this very seriously, especially when it comes to critical infrastructure.
They've released a detailed framework to guide the development and deployment of AI with a focus on safety and security.
What are some of the key principles outlined in this framework?
The framework emphasizes transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI systems. It also highlights the importance of data governance and vulnerability mitigation to prevent malicious use.
So it's about establishing clear guidelines and best practices to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically, especially in sensitive areas like critical infrastructure.
Yes, it's about building trust in AI technology and ensuring that it serves humanity's best interests.
Now let's move on to a company that's taking a different approach to AI. Niantic, the creator of Pokemon Go. They're pioneering something called LGM's large geospatial models.
Niantic is known for its innovative use of augmented reality, and their work with LGMs is no exception.
What are LGMs and how do they differ from LLMs?
While LLMs are focused on understanding and generating text, LGMs are all about understanding the physical world.
Can you give us an example of how LGMs are being used?
Niantic is using LGMs to build a hyper-accurate visual positioning system. Imagine an AI that can pinpoint your location in the real world with incredible precision.
That sounds like science fiction.
It's pretty remarkable, and Niantic believes that LGMs will eventually become the operating system for how we interact with our physical surroundings.
That's a bold vision. It makes you wonder what the future holds for augmented reality and how we experience the world around us.
It's an exciting time to be following the development of AI. The possibilities seem endless.
Finally, let's talk about Elon Musk. and his venture into AI healthcare with his chatbot, Grok.
Grok's ability to analyze medical images has generated a lot of buzz, but it's also sparked debate about the role of AI in healthcare.
What are some of the key concerns being raised?
The accuracy of Grok's diagnoses is still being debated, and some experts are raising ethical red flags about the privacy and security of patient data.
It's a reminder that we need to tread carefully when it comes to AI in healthcare.
Absolutely. While the potential benefits are significant, we need to prioritize patient safety, data privacy, and ethical considerations. Absolutely. While the potential benefits are significant, we need to prioritize patient safety, data privacy, and ethical considerations.
This deep dive into the world of AI reveals a landscape that's evolving at an incredible pace. We've covered a lot of ground today, from business strategies to groundbreaking product innovations and the technology driving it all. It's clear that AI is no longer a futuristic concept, but a rapidly advancing reality that's shaping our world in profound ways.
I completely agree. AI is transforming industries, redefining how we work, and raising fundamental questions about the future of humanity.
It's a topic that deserves our attention and careful consideration.
And that's what we aim to do here at the AI Compass, to provide you with the insights and analysis you need to navigate the complexities of the AI landscape.
Stay tuned as we continue our deep dive into the latest AI news. All right, so we're back. We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive into the world of AI. From Microsoft's quiet dominance with AI agents to ethical considerations surrounding AI in healthcare, it's clear that this technology is impacting virtually every aspect of our lives.
Yeah, and the pace of innovation is only accelerating. What was once considered science fiction is rapidly becoming reality.
It's a lot to take in, even for those of us who follow AI closely.
That's true. That's why it's so important to break down these complex topics and make them accessible to everyone. The more people understand about AI, the better equipped we'll be to navigate its potential and its challenges.
Speaking of challenges, one of the recurring themes in this episode has been the ethical implications of AI. Whether it's the potential for AI systems to deceive humans or the privacy concerns surrounding AI in healthcare, it's clear that we need to be mindful of the potential risks as AI continues to evolve.
Yeah, we can't simply focus on the technological advancements and ignore the ethical considerations. We need to be proactive in ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly.
Absolutely. It's a shared responsibility that involves researchers, developers, policymakers, and ultimately every member of society.
I completely agree. We need to have open, honest conversations about the ethical implications of AI and work together to establish guidelines and safeguards that ensure its beneficial use.
Okay, so as we wrap up this week's exploration of AI, what key takeaways should our viewers keep in mind?
Well, first, the AI landscape is constantly evolving. New breakthroughs and innovations are emerging all the time. It's crucial to stay informed and keep learning about these developments.
Okay.
Second, AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already having a profound impact on our lives, from the way we work to the way we interact with the world around us.
Right.
And third, the ethical implications of AI are significant and cannot be overlooked. We need to be mindful of the potential risks and ensure that AI is used for good, not for harm.
Absolutely. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by the rapid pace of AI advancements, remember that you're not alone. The key is to stay curious, stay informed, and engage in these important conversations about the future of AI.
And if you're interested in exploring how AI can be applied to your business, there are experts out there who can help. Companies like Shellpook AI Technology Consulting specialize in guiding organizations through the complexities of AI adoption and implementation.
Great point. Whether you're a business leader, a developer, or simply someone who's curious about the future, we encourage you to continue exploring the world of AI. It's a journey full of possibilities and challenges, and we're all in this together.
Thanks for joining us for this week's AI Compass Deep Dive.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead of the curve in the ever-changing world of AI. Until next time.